Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. And if you're not a part of the nail crew, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of the nail crew, and hit the bell so you know when I upload next. All right, so today I am doing a fill. As you can tell, my niece needs a fill. It's been 6 weeks, y'all. 6 weeks of grow out is time. It is time. So anyway, I started to remove the acrylic off camera, and then I was nicking my actual nails, and I hate that. I hate when I'm filing someone else's nails and then I mess my own nails up. So I'm wrapping it in this cling. I don't know if it's called cling, Coban, wrap, sports tape, whatever you want to call it. You can find it on Amazon. I will leave a link in my Amazon storefront. Just go to the section that says extras or non-nail related items. It's definitely in my storefront, and you guys can wrap your nails too. It comes in a set of 12, and they have a bunch of beautiful bright colors. So it's very fun. This is also the same stuff that I use to wrap my acrylic brush. So if you guys notice that my acrylic brush is wrapped, the handle, this is the exact same stuff that I use. So it's used for my brush, and it's also used to protect my nails. So yeah, it'll be in my Amazon storefront. You guys can check it out. So I know you guys have noticed Esther is here. Esther is here. You recognize that it was Esther because you saw those orange nails, right? I love those nails. I love those nails. I'm going to leave a link in the description box of when we did her nails. I did one hand, and she mirrored me and she did the other hand. So I have one video on my channel of me doing it, right? And then on her channel, she has the other video of her doing her other hand. So I think it's cool. It was like a little cute little fun collab. So today we are also doing a dip video collab. So I'm going to be doing one hand, and she's going to be doing the other hand. So that's why I call this When I Dip You Dip We Dip, because we're both gonna dip. When I dip you dip we dip. I crack myself up sometimes. So anywho, guys, the point of this video is to teach her. This is a teachable moment. This is a one-on-one with me and Esther. So my niece volunteered because she needed a fill anyway, and she was just like, okay, you guys can do it. So I'm so happy that she let us do it. Otherwise, I was going to have to pull out the fake hand, Nala or Tuesday or whatever. But anyway, I'm doing one hand, and Esther is going to mirror me and try to get the exact same look on the opposite hand. So cross my fingers that my niece doesn't end up looking crazy because the idea is that they look like one person did it, that it looks cohesive. That's the whole idea. So I prepped her nails, and Esther is prepping her nails too. The problem is that Esther does not know how to stay in frame. Esther is not used to making YouTube videos. And in fact, when I first started making YouTube videos, I was always out of frame, y'all. I lived out of frame, and it was so frustrating to rewatch that. So I get it, I get it. It is what it is. When you're new, you're new. So she's there. She's doing good. You probably just won't be able to see that she's doing good because she's, oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I tell Esther, stay on the white towel. If you stay on the white towel, like in the middle of the white towel, you're perfect. You know what she does? She takes my niece's hand and put it in her lap. And I say, Esther, what the hell? You cannot do her nails in your lap. You have to do the nails on the table. And she'll be like, oh, okay. She'll put the hand back on the table, and she'll be doing good for like 2 seconds. And then boom, the hand is either in the air because she's holding it in the air while she works, or it's back on her lap. And I'm like, okay, you know what? Forget it. Just as long as the nails look good, you don't have to be in frame. You don't have to be in frame. Just do whatever you have to do to make the nails look good. At this point, I'm just like, okay, whatever floats your boat. So yeah, Esther's here. She's doing good. Trust me, she's doing really good. But you just can't see that she's doing good. I don't know what else to tell you guys. We will try this again. This was our first time doing this on a real person. We've done this before on the fake hands. And you know, it went really well using the practice hands, but I know using a real person, it's a little bit different. So let me just recap everything that we did so far. So she needed a fill. We removed the old colored acrylic, right, with our e-files. After that, we pushed back the cuticles. We removed the shine from the natural nail plate with the arbor band, and we also used that same arbor band to blend in the fill line. After that, we took the ball bit and we went around the cuticle area to remove the dead skin, to remove calluses, and to smooth out any hangnails. After that, we cleaned her off with our cleaning solution, and I put the primer on, let the primer dry. After the primer dry, I put the base coat gel polish, and I cured that for 60 seconds. So that concludes the prep. So now it's time for the nail fill. So we are going to take that same base coat gel polish and some acrylic. The acrylic that we're using today is the one that I sell on my website, www.nailedbynikki.com. Check it out, check it out, check it out. It's a new website, still under construction, but you can still check it out anyway and see what I have so far. So all I'm doing is brushing on the base coat gel polish, and then I'm going to sprinkle on the acrylic powder. You could really use any clear acrylic powder for this, but I do prefer if you get mine. Like, let's just be honest. But any clear acrylic will work. If you have clear acrylic, you could just use whatever you have at the house. Let's just be real, right? So I'm brushing on the base coat. The base coat that I have is from Not Polish. I really do enjoy using this base coat. I've been using it a lot lately. I will leave a link and the coupon code in the description box. So if you guys want to try it, you definitely could try out this base coat. But look, Esther's in frame, y'all. She's in frame. Every moment that she's in frame, just divert your eyes to her because she doesn't stay in frame long. And I just want you guys to watch her for a little bit, see what she's doing. I think she's doing a really good job. So as you can tell, she brushed on the base coat and she sprinkles on the acrylic powder, and then she put the hand in the lamp and let that cure for 60 seconds. I do want to point out I'm using Not Polished base coat, but she's using the base coat from Princess Nails by Diana. Diana's website is under construction. Diana is going to get a website soon, but I got to tell you, her base coat is very good. I'm telling you that her base coat is good. It's thick. It's creamy. I remember I did a fill just like the one I'm doing today. I did a fill using her base coat. Those nails were on for at least like 5-6 weeks at the very least. Actually, it might have been upwards to 2 months. And that's the truth. So I do have a video doing my fill. And then I have a video checking in after when they grew out so that you guys can see. I like to do that. I like to show you guys me doing the technique, and then I like to show you guys a month later how well they stayed on. That way you guys can get used to prepping. If you prep well, the nail should stay on. All right, so here I am to the thumb. And I'm done. Again, I'm just showing you guys the acrylic. It's a large size. This size should last you guys a very long time. So yeah, check out my website. Check out my website. So I went ahead and cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, right? And now I decided, you know what? Why am I sharing lamps with her when I have a ton of lamps? So I pulled out my Makartt lamp, and I do have a new Makartt code, guys. Makartt literally just hit me up and was like, you know what? I'm going to give you a coupon code. It's like, okay, great. So I now have a Makartt coupon code. Yay! So if you guys liked any of my old Makartt videos where I played with their polygel or whatever, their polishes and things like that, you guys can now go back and watch that video and buy the things that I showed you guys and use the code and save some coins. Yay! I don't know what made them decide finally that I was worthy of a coupon code, but you know what? I appreciate it anyway. It's late, but it's better than never. So Makartt, shout out to Makartt. Thank you guys so much. So link to Makartt will be in my description box. The coupon code to Makartt will be in my description box. Check them out. Check them out. I also have a lot of new Makartt goodies, y'all. Oh my gosh. Makartt just sent me the coolest little handheld lamp. Wait till I show it to you guys. You guys are going to die. It is so cool. And then I also have the green polygel kit. You guys have probably seen it elsewhere, but you know, it's still new and fun to me. So I'll be showing you guys the polygel kit and the cute little lamp. You guys are going to freak out. It's adorable. So yeah, that video is coming soon. In the meantime, you guys can check the link in the description box and just look at all the Makartt goodies and things like that. Also, if you guys see something on the website that you want me to try out before you buy it, let me know, because now that I have a coupon code, y'all, let me tell you something. You see all those coupon codes in my description box? Those are the only place I shop. Like, I try to really shop at places that give me a coupon code or a discount code. Like, that's where I go first. If I can't find it there, then I'll go to like Amazon or eBay or AliExpress or something like that. But first, I'm checking out one of those sites that I got a coupon code for because I like to save coins. Plus, I just like to support myself. You know what I mean? If you don't support yourself, who's going to support you? You know what I mean? So yeah, if I have a coupon code, I'm there, and I'm there all the time. So now that Makartt gave me a code, clickety click, 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 Makartt.com, here I come. Here I go. But for real, wait till you guys see the cute little lamp I'm going to show you guys from them. Oh my gosh, it's so, so, so cute. So anywho, the nails are almost done. That color is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous on her skin. That color is gorgeous on her skin. That color is gorgeous on her skin. Sorry. I get like that sometimes, y'all. I just think for no reason. I'm so sorry. Especially when I'm happy. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh man, Nikki, why'd you do that? I don't know. Okay. So here we go, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. So I'm encapsulating in clear. So if I would have done this the traditional polymer and monomer method, I would have encapsulated in clear, right? So I'm doing the exact same thing. Even though this is dips, I'm still going to encapsulate in clear. So I encapsulate in clear the exact same way that I did the color. Basically brush on the base coat gel polish, sprinkle on the clear, cure for 60 seconds. That's it. That is it. Doing dips this way is so fun, so easy, and the nails last a very long time. So let me just show you guys the color that I used. It is Second Nude, and it's from the company Not Polished. So I will leave a link in the description box with my coupon code. Check them out. They have a lot of good quality acrylics. When I tell you guys quality, and you could tell when you're using it. So I challenge you guys, I challenge you to get a container of not polished acrylic, right? And then get like a cheaper brand of acrylic from elsewhere. I'm not going to call any companies out at all because I don't like to do that. But just get a cheaper brand and use them side by side, like neck to neck. You can definitely tell the difference. I promise you, you can tell the difference. You can tell the difference. They really took their time and put quality ingredients in their acrylic, and I appreciate that. Also, I want to point out, Not Polished is a dip company. Yes, you could use the acrylic with monomer, right? You could definitely use it with monomer. That's how I use it most of the time, but it is a dip company, so you could use their powders universally. I just want to point that out. So anyway, the nails are done, and now I'm filing and shaping them. And once you're done, if you do them correctly, no one can tell that this was a dip set. Like, looking at this, people will think, oh, she just has a regular acrylic set, you know? And that's how it's supposed to look. No one's supposed to be able to tell exactly what you had done. But the color, I feel this color is so pretty on her. Second Nude, y'all. Second Nude. This is beautiful. I just like nudes. I love a good nude. I love a good nude. And I always say this. I love when companies give you options. I think that's amazing when they think of really, really fair-skinned people, and they also think of really, really dark-skinned people, and you don't have to make do with what's there. They actually give you something that'll work. I don't know. I really appreciate that. So anyway, the nails are donezo, and now for the nail art. So here we go. Here we go. So Esther actually did a really, really good job over there on the left hand. You guys didn't get to see her doing a good job, but I saw her and she did a good job. Thumbs up for Esther. Gold star for Esther. Esther, you did amazing. You really did. So now we are doing the nail art. My niece saw my Black Lives Matter nails, right? The ones that I'm wearing now. She also saw the ones that I drew. She saw the ones Aunt drew, and she also saw the ones Esther drew, okay? So she saw all of these Black Lives Matter type nail art, and she wanted a mashup of all of the nail art. Yes, she sure did. So she kind of picked her favorite nail art or finger or whatever. She kind of picked her favorite one from each of the drawings. And she was like, okay, I want this here. I want that there. I want this here. I want that. So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to give her a mashup of all of our nail art. So with that being said, I'm just going to speed these clips up because you guys have seen this done plenty times. You have seen us draw it out. You have seen us do them. You have seen it and seen it and seen it. So I'm just going to go quickly, but this is what she wanted. She really just wanted this, and I just wanted to give it to her. One, because it's a poster, it's a billboard, it's her protest. You know what I mean? It's her protest. It's how she's feeling right now, and she wants to express herself through her little canvases, and she's going to wear these little canvases for the next week or two. Let's be honest. She's going to wear them for a month because Andrea doesn't get her nails done but once a month. But she's going to wear her little billboard canvases for the next month. And this is what she wants. So this is what we're doing. So again, I am just arting over here. I'm arting. Nikki, stop making up words. I'm arting over here. I'm doing nail art over here on the right. And Esther's doing nail art over there on the left. So I'm just in my own little bubble. My niece is saying, I want this finger like this. I want that finger like that. And then she's telling Esther the same thing. So as long as it looks cohesive in the end, I think I'm happy. So far, like, I keep peeking over to Esther. And as long as she stays in the same color theme, I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. The theme overall is the same. And the colors overall are the same. So you really can't go wrong. The nails that Esther did, I think, are very pretty. Like the shape. I feel like she really has it down. She really has it down. Esther, if you're watching, I think you did a really, really good job. So I'm done over here on my right hand. And so what I'm doing is applying a base coat. The base coat is also from Not Polished, the same base coat that I was using earlier. And I'm applying a base coat because I want to seal everything in, especially since some of the nail art was done with a Sharpie. You want to seal it in so that it doesn't get smudged or removed and things like that. So I put the base coat on and I'm going to cure that for a full 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with the top coat. I'm giving you guys a close up to Esther because she's actually in frame. She has a beautiful little silhouette of the guy right there on the thumb. I like the blackout finger there. She has no piece in the middle finger, a nice swirl on the ring finger, and then blinged out black on the pinky. So good job to you, Esther. And this is what the nails look like. This is mine right here. I think I did such a good job. It's so beautiful. My niece was so thrilled. I've never seen her so thrilled before when she got her nails done. She loved this set. She actually loved it. And here they are together. So as you can tell, my nails and Esther's nails, they do look cohesive. It does not look like two different people did it. And that's what we were going for. We wanted it to look like one person did it. And she nails it. Good job, Esther. Good job. I think these nails came out so cute. So beautiful, so beautiful. We had fun. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.